Turnip, the unsung hero for your kidneys, a simple way to help pass small stones. Kidney stone pain is one of the worst pains we can experience. But we don't always have to look for difficult and complicated solutions. Sometimes, the solution is right in our kitchen. In Iran, traditional medicine and herbal remedies have been used to treat this problem for ages, and many of these home remedies are still effective today. The humble turnip, a simple winter vegetable, has incredible healing properties. One of its most important benefits is its strong diuretic effect. By increasing urine volume, turnips help the kidneys flush out small stones and sediment more easily. How can you use them? You can add raw turnips to your salads, make a great drink with turnip juice, honey, and lemon, or simply use them in your soups and stews. However you like it, get turnips into your diet. But remember, for larger stones, you must consult a doctor. The turnip is a natural helper, not a complete cure. By making smart, natural choices, you're taking a big step toward a healthier life. Thank you for watching this video until the end. If you found this content valuable and enjoyed it, please support us in creating more and better content by liking and subscribing to our channel. Also, help our family grow by sharing the channel with your friends and acquaintances so we can continue our work with renewed motivation.